Yo, DJ Mac, me tell you something. Even though me not rate the brother boss, me always say a bad artist. Him just need a hit song. Me know Alkaline can find a hit pan a Riddim. Me know him can find a hit pan a Riddim. Mark, do me I beg you. Just reach out to him team.
A few moments later.
All I understand is to Vendetta and tell the man to jump on the Riddim and link DJ Mac. I make dancehall nice. Yeah.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
All of them call up me name forget the hype. Me not give them no hype. They're going dead for hungry.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media.
I don't know a Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, I one Media Fox on the app. You see it. So people, I don't know what really are going on. It come like them need Alkaline for save DJ Mac Riddim. Cause everybody may see them a call. It's so funny, you know, people. Look how much people depend on the Riddim. And the man them a call for Alkaline, so. How you not satisfied with the people that depend on the Riddim? You not remember, brother, young lad no run down the hype. You understand? Him no run down the hype, bro. The man have a album a forward. The man not in a bagger. Waste of time, business. Not because of, you know, me realize it's like when certain artists go on certain things or do certain things, them expect say Alkaline for forward out and do the same, bro. Like, brother, DJ Mac do him thing, bag artist step on the Riddim. Brother, the Riddim no need Alkaline, brother. You understand? Just do what I do, dog. You see me? Just do what I do, fam. Because we don't know after a sudden now, body a call out for Alkaline pan the Riddim now. I'm not satisfied, brother, about 80 to 100 artists depend that the Riddim there right now, no? Yeah? So you Riddim, you can't, I'm not satisfied. Alkaline now wait pan? Eh? Alkaline on really a wait pan, dog. Brother, you not getting a hype, bro. Me I tell you that Alkaline a focus on him album right now. Yeah, have him shows them a forward. Yeah. You see it. But people, them forward out and I talk about bag things, you know. So now for you what go on.
Yo, DJ Mac, me tell you something. Even though me not rate the brother boss, me always say a bad artist. Him just need a hit song. Me know Alkaline can find a hit pan a Riddim. Me know him can find a hit pan a Riddim. Mark, do me I beg you. Just reach out to him team. And if Alkaline team was see this, I want to reach out to Mac. This is the time now for Alkaline show them the young lad.
Brother, what you mean by this is the time for get Alkaline hit song? I don't understand this, brother. You sick in the head? What do you man feel like today? You think you can program Alkaline? Eh? You think Alkaline some look regular artist, brother? And that you don't feel like, bro? Alkaline no run down for go up and no Riddim, bro. Yeah, Alkaline no run with hype, brother. The man yo do things different. The man no follow the crowd. You're not supposed to know that, brother. You don't know that. Look how much juggling did that go on. Come let me tell the people. Enough of them artists that you see go up on the Riddim. To be honest, if DJ Mac did link them before dropping the Riddim, enough of them wouldn't do it. May I tell you that. If you realize with the dancehall space right now, you kind of realize that them man just do it because the Riddim hot. I just that in the people. The man them want a hype. Remember, you know, them did in a dark room, nothing go on for them, right? Fine. Cause if you're in a dark room and you try to get a light, you jump on the Riddim. But enough of them would not do the Riddim if DJ Mac never put out the Riddim yet and link them. You understand? And that's the problem. Because enough other Riddim did it, them never rush to jump on it. But through that one you're hot now. Because, let me tell you people, to be honest, it's a nice Riddim. But when I rate what a Riddim I really do, it really make the attention focus on music. Few months ago, like few weeks ago, it was all about some unnecessary thing when I have to do it, dancehall. So, I'm glad say this kind of change the narrative to say, yo, everybody I listen to music based on the Riddim. That's what I want. That is dancehall, music. That's how we rate. But everybody I try to get a hype off of the Riddim. But remember, you know, hype no run for too long. So once the hype dead down, everybody have to go back in them space where them did there. And them have to go continue, you know, bro. One Riddim can't save a career, you know, brother. Because remember, you have to go find more things to deal with. So if anybody nothing now go on for them and them want back a highlight, fine, this would be a good thing. But if you check it right now, a lot of people depend on Riddim, and I one and few you can say yo we this for the Riddim and all of them little thing there. You see it, but brother, Alkaline and forward but not the Riddim the dog. When support some of the time when you just assess something cause you know the artist there already, but I guess you know want Alka for forward because I don't know want to the rest of the artists them. Look how much artists and giant upon the song, upon the Riddim, why Alkaline is needed. And that's the problem, you know. And if I'm me, brother, I saw me stay, I'm not really run with the crowd thing, you know, bro. You see me, I'm not really run with the crowd thing, fam. Stay over this one, I do nothing. Riddim bad. You understand?
Moving 2016 Alkaline. Yeah. Me know enough people believe in me. What me I say? Dancehall we love, you know. Remember dancehall we love music, we don't love man. After I see me come out and I ask you, Alkaline pan the Riddim, you must know. But Alkaline have a big song pan the Riddim. Mac, link him up. Alkaline link up Mac. Make it work.
Yo, man, I tell you them people. That's some joke thing this. That's some joke thing this, dog. You see me? But Nico fire him, you can't really follow him, you know, bro. Cause from where the Gaza people them beat him bad, you know, I see like him a draw for the massacre and Alkaline. Him a say the Gaza people them are one of the worst fan base. You see me? Which is true. You know, some of them are just not no sense, but this Riddim thing, dog, bro, I don't know how much artists know have it up on the Riddim, brother. But brother, I don't know, like the amount of people up on the Riddim, brother. But the people in my post are paying more attention to the top tier artists, them, brother. At that, them I look for them type of artists, them, bro. So the little artists, the underground artists, them where nobody not really meds them like that. You see me? And I just saw the thing said. But we see a brother here forward out, you know, talk a bag of things.
Yo, all I want to look at data funds where I can send a little balloon line with teacher use and I talk about my data use the balloon line what there. All I want to look at data funds where I can send that to my inbox. Yeah, I say to you. All I want to send it to Vendetta and tell the man say jump on the Riddim and link DJ Mac and make dance all nice. You know what I say?
So wait there. We don't know say Fan Cartel come up from prison dance all nice and dance all this. So what happen now? How comes Alkaline and fi forward now for dance all nice? I never know that. I think say a Cartel did that do the thing. I never know say you don't need Alkaline for dance all nice. Eh? The narrative change now. Because brother, if now who now wait pan for go up and Riddim in the dark. Brother, Alkaline good as all not even hear that they Riddim there right now. The man there in a different world, dog. You see me? The man good as all not even listen, you not even know what Riddim sound. And that me I tell you now.
You may say man, no tag Vendetta. Send him the little snippet and tell him to jump on the Riddim. Everybody a jump on it. Jump on the Riddim and tell him to link DJ Mac and come mess up the street, brother. See how we are doing it. Yeah man, make that sound nice, brother. I'm told what man.
Yo, them man, me I tell you now, people. Them man I feel like the artist frightened for things and frightened for Riddim, you know. You see me? Like bro, I'm not true you see a bag of man I go somewhere, brother, means your next man fi follow them, bro. And that's why I'm not reach too far in the game, brother. I don't follow too much, brother. Me I tell you, I don't follow too much, dog. Sometimes I don't do things by myself, bro. You see me? And I all the while to follow the crowd, you know, brother. Sometimes when you follow the crowd, you will last in the crowd, you know. You don't know that. You will last in the crowd, bro. More while them for just bill. Seem like a foot type say. Sometimes for just bill and just make a wave just go on, bro. And find on the own thing, brother. Every wave a pass or wagon a pass and if you jump on it, cause sometimes when you jump on it and you know, drop off. You see me? Yeah man, cause you know what the worst thing, people? The amount of Riddim drop, right? And that me realize, you know, the amount of Riddim we drop. At first me hear them a call out Alkaline for do up on Riddim. For sure, yeah. First, me see them a do it. For the past Riddim them we a drop. You understand? I don't know why them start do it now, but I guess them not satisfy. Cause you don't know Alka back in the days, him always a take the Riddim them. You see me? So I guess that them I look forward to. But brother, Alkaline have him album a forward, brother. And him apps and him app and all of these things. Them things they boss a focus on. Him not depend on the little corner league thing, you see me? Big league. Yeah, no disrespect to the Riddim or DJ Mac Yeah, DJ Mac a young youth, him a do him thing. Yeah, me rate how him a try give some artists a little opportunity to get a little highlight pan the rhythm. Yeah, it's a good look for the music industry and, you know, for dancehall scene speed. But I know everything the Vendetta boss really run up in it, you understand? Yeah, man, that's how you think said. The man just a do him thing and focus on theme thing right now. You can't drive him out if you take him off a theme track. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, them don't know that. Yeah, man, I play that. No. So look here now, DJ Mac them on a live, but I don't know what go on, you know. Man them find one whole time Alka. I think that song are before Alkaline bus. You understand? So the man them kind of tweet it and try to put it on the rhythm. But you don't know, Mac them rate Alkaline, you know, cause you don't know young gen them and every little thing. And him well want to work with Alkaline. You see it, so he might try to tweet a little thing and you know the man them go with a bag of thing on the live, but you don't know anything Alkaline name calling and you don't know a thing set or it go viral, is it? But here we go on.
The youngest and baddest and the smartest young right. Alkaline now when me name around my teeth in the
Yo, man, I tell them man and easy that dog. But that little line there, it tough with the rhythm still, but I saw it go. Now if you just go and tweak, you see it, Mac? Yeah, man, if you just go and do and do, you see me? Yeah. But you don't know, them rate the Vendetta boss, because you don't know him a leader of the young generation, you see me? Yeah, man, a lot of them look up to him, but you don't know the system things there, them now go say certain things, you see it? Yeah, man, and I saw you think it, so. Them a do them thing, and, you know, I for just go and put in the work. I rate how DJ Mac, you know. Because I remember, you know, enough rhythm found out and you don't know through the politics, certain artists, and I like them open the rhythm for every artist, you see me? I have to watch how them authorize it and thing. But DJ Mac give a lot of artists opportunity. And whether them a beat the chop thing and Ray and this, that. Now when you look, I be a hell of them up on the rhythm. I think I see Romy and Virgo. No. Christopher Martin, I see. I'll join the rhythm recently. Everybody are up on the rhythm, because rhythm hot right now. You understand? The rhythm hot. So, if you have a talent and can do what you have to do, you just have to just deal with it. You see me? Yeah, man.
Oh, what say us? Say that away. Oh, but the blood clot again. What, you meet again and feel she get away? Never that. That's a reaching I party though. Alright.
Yeah, man. You don't know Mac them as do what them have to do. To try to get that little, you know, that little highlight there and thing, you see it? Yeah, man, you know that I forgot about. But I know when Nico fire him. I know what them a try to do, dog. Don't feel like say when I go get alcohol for fall pan already on the dog, you see me? I just say thing go, brother. And one while, bro, and everybody fit I do the same thing, dog. I don't want to love them little meds, brother. Not because they might call for massacre, they might call for alkaline, they might call for Idonia. Brother, I want to know, dog. You don't have Cartel, you don't have Anthony B, you don't have Skipper, you don't have much artists on the rhythm, brother. You don't have to satisfy, brother. I know you will dance all of it on the rhythm, dog. Sometimes I don't realize everything have a limit, you know, bro. It come like a 200 artists have go up on the rhythm before this shut off, cause, bro, sometimes something can get overcrowded till it crash in a dog. You see me? Yeah, man. So, I'm have to just watch it, yo. I'm have to just watch it, brother. Don't the bugger artist thing. You see me? It make a thing get played out, dog. You see me? When things get too common. Yeah. Because to me, what could I say now? To me, people, this is just a rhythm, it's a good rhythm, but me just feel like say it's just a hype. Like it's just a little wave. You know, we are going with that thing now, but down the line, it's not gonna really dead, you know? Cause basically the rhythm start get hot like January. But January you can say yo, cause Skipper have the big song on it. Is it? Skipper have the big song where you mash up the place with it and all of them look a thing right now. And I think Chronic Law go on with that thing too. But it a go on with that thing. But just read say it kinda change the narrative. Everybody are focused on music right now. And no bag of drama and no bag of who buy this and buy that and who rich and this and that. Yeah, me just glad say the Riddim kind of put back dancehall pan a music focus meds. Yeah, cause dancehall is about music. Like 99% of music. The 1% are just some little, other things and are just music. Dancing. Once there's anything we can attach we're relative to music like dancing, what else? Party, event, all of these things, yeah. But me just glad say we are lucky within the music and look. And dancehall is a competitive genre, like, if you say a lot of artists are on the rhythm and thing and but I know everybody. You see me, I know everybody and everybody now have to do it either. You see me? I know everybody have to really do that. So it's a good look same way. I know them want the database on the rhythm, but I saw it go. You see me? I saw it go and everything I ask so you gotta really get, you see it? Yeah man, but database have him album and thing I focus on right now. Sort it out, do what him have to do. Maybe video shoot or this or that and I just something different. You see it? Something different right now, so you have to just do what you have to do, people. You see me? And you don't know. As me say, the boss have a couple show forward up. You see me? Brooklyn, New York, you don't know, Barclays Center, March 21st. That mad out some people, but you don't know database are gonna do that already still, so it's gonna be a wonderful, yeah, man, a wonderful thing. So I just one of them thing the people. You see it? You don't know media facts got to work already. You see me? Because sometimes you have to just, make the people them know what I go on. You see it? Yeah, man. So, things set, if you big up the people them, yeah, man, big up all fan base, you see me? Yeah, man, big up the vendetta fan them, same speed, you see it? Yeah, man, you know things set. So, people, as me say, you really go on with that thing. Yeah, man, it look good for dancer space right now. People them are focused on positivity, like music. You see me? Everybody are listen. People are ball for who for dep and Riddim, man. The competition, everybody fan base and yeah, but you don't know the database thing different. You see it? Bass is focus on him album right now. You see me? No distraction, no emotions. You see it? Yeah, man. And you don't know, people. Respect for the support. You don't know a media facts. Yeah, man. That is it.